Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly get in and out of Vanish mode on Messenger. So, usually you have to go to the settings when you open up Messenger and you're talking with someone, and to activate Vanish mode you usually go to the little eye icon on the top right, scroll down, turn on Vanish mode, then you have to come back in and turn it off like this, etc, but it's quite annoying sometimes. So there's a really cool and quick way to do this. If you just hold and scroll up and then hold again, Vanish mode will be turned on like this. So you see, I scrolled up, I'm holding, and the moment I release, there we go, Vanish mode is turned on, and usually you get emojis here. And to go back, do the absolutely same thing. So for example, if we go and let's open up and do it like this, there we go. And if you want to quickly turn it off, you can also just click this button. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.